Welcome back, Chef Ricardo. I have some good news to my fans them and my friends them. Anyway, I supposed to announce it very long time ago to tell you that, you know what I mean, look forward for my new cooking movie which is coming out very soon. It's gonna be really fantastic, guys. You know what I mean, someone approached me with the movie about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I said to myself, oh yes, I will work at it, and you know what I mean, we will get it out. So basically I want to say to my fans them and my friends them who've been following me for such a long time, you know what I mean, all my new subscribers, you know what I want to say, all my new subscribers, I want to say welcome, and you know what I mean, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I know you guys gonna love this one. It's a very fantastic movie from, you know what I mean, things which I've been doing for such a long time, and also different stuff, different, you know what I mean, like it's gonna be really nice. I know you guys gonna love it. It is a movie about Chef Ricardo, cooking show, and about myself and a lot more stuff. But I just want to announce it to tell you guys that look forward for this movie. I've been in so many adverts, so many different things, but this one is gonna be a movie, proper movie. I know you guys gonna love it. It's gonna be on a DVD. It's gonna be so many different things. You can, you know what I mean, probably can get the copy of the DVD too. I will be giving away a lot of DVD, so look forward for that one. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We got a lot more stuff coming out. We got a lot more Christmas stuff coming out. We got a lot more Christmas pudding. We got a lot more Christmas sponge cake. We got a lot more things coming out your way. But we were just saying, you know what I mean, guys, just look forward for the new movie which is gonna come from Chef Ricardo and the team. We're working very hard towards the movie, guys, and I know you're gonna love it. So if you know you're gonna love it, if you know you wanna see it, please leave your comments below. And you know what I mean, I need some likes on the video. We need to get you guys to share the video and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And remember, do not forget to follow me, guys, on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. We are there, and you know what I mean, this Christmas, honestly, this Christmas is gonna be a brilliant Christmas, and we're gonna love it. We got a lot of stuff coming up. We got a lot of ideas. We got a lot of things. There's so many things coming out this Christmas, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fantastic. So thank you so much for all of my new subscribers, all of my new fans, my new friends. We got a lot of things coming your way. So please share the video and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And as I said, the movie will be releasing next year. Alright, we will give you the date in the next video when we're gonna release the movie, and make you guys can get to watch it. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel. If you know you're gonna need a copy of the DVD, let me know. Alright, thank you so much, and a big love from Chef Ricardo. Remember, have a lovely weekend, enjoy yourself. Look out for the food which is coming up Sunday. We got a Sunday dinner recipe coming up, a roast. We have a roast coming this Sunday. Do not miss that one, guys. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be lovely and nice. And also, you know what I mean, my daughter might do a nice video for the weekend also too. So guys, have a lovely weekend and enjoy yourself. Be safe and be careful of the fake rice and the fake egg and the fake food. You know what I mean? These people's been crazy. So one love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and have a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments and tell a friend.